Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting a late start. It's 6:45 here, p.m. on Thursday evening. I'm just now fixing something to eat. So I already washed and cut my wings into sections and towel patted them dry. Okay, I'm gonna air fry them in my CruxGG Trizone air fryer. Okay, I think I'm just using one side. This is what the basket looks like. So I'm just gonna air fry in one side. I want to put some foil down there. Yep, I'm gonna put some foil on the bottom of this basket. I'm just using one side. I don't want to have to put the whole thing in the sink and wash it because of one side. So this will catch all the drippings. What I'm doing, I'm gonna put this, I forget what you call this. I'm gonna have to lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Y'all see? We got this like that. I'm just gonna push this down in here. Okay. So to catch all the drippings. See that? And yes, you can put foil in your air fryer. You can put parchment paper in your air fryer. Just make sure whatever paper or foil you put in here is weighted down with either food or a utensil so it don't fly up into the heating element and the fan that's up there. Okay, now I'm going to season this meat. Got this here already. These are going to be naked wings. I have to start eating better. And I eat entirely too much breaded food. I have diabetes and I have to start doing better. You know, I love my fried chicken. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to start with some yellow mustard. Okay, this adds another layer of flavor. Helps tenderize. Helps the seasoning stick. Just putting a couple swigs. Okay, that's good. Regular hot dog mustard. You don't have to spend a lot of money on mustard because you're not going to taste the mustard anyway. It's just going to do what it does. I'm through with that. Okay, now I'm going to add some orange pepper. Body of orange pepper. It has other seasonings in it. It has salt in it. Okay. Sprinkle it freely. Like I said, these are going to be naked wings. Look at that. I'm going to add some paprika, smoked paprika. For color. Oh, it's still snowing. Oh, Lord. I'm adding smoked paprika. This adds color and a smoky flavor. As opposed to the regular paprika. Don't have that smoky flavor. I'm adding some Frank's Red Hot Original Seasoning Blend. This has a good flavor, but it ain't really hot like the hot sauce. But it seasons good. That's why I'm not adding extra salt, because this got salt in it, and this orange pepper got salt in it. Okay. And some white pepper. This seasons good. It's really, really good in mashed potatoes. You can't see it, but you can taste it. Of course, I'm adding this kind of pepper. This is black, red, green, and white pepper. You can see it coming out, but it is. Come on, slow. And I'm not going to add any oil to these wings. Is anything coming out? Yep. Because they're going to be naked. And it has skin, and the skin will make its own oil. I learned that from Booger 500. Put my glove on so I can smush it. It's snowing here again, y'all. Put my rubber band on, keep the glove from slipping off while I'm smushing. I'm gonna raise this bowl up so y'all can see. See how the seasonings are? Now, dig from down here. I'm not gonna cook all these wings, but I'm seasoning them all. And yes, I do wash my chicken wings. Rinse them off good. And I sanitize everything afterwards. I'm worried about spreading salmonella all over the kitchen. Okay, let's see what I'm doing. Like I said, these wings will make its own oil. And these wings will be crispy, y'all, with no breading. Did they say how many inches we're going to get? Oh. Oh, yeah. Y'all know I bought a car in June of 2021, and I haven't even started my other car since I had the new one. So I went out the day before yesterday and started it up. It started right up, y'all. And I drove it up and back and forth in the driveway. So I don't have to sell that. Just sell it or do something with it, because it's sitting there looking crazy. Okay, this is good. Everything coated. Put some more of this orange pepper on here because I like the way it looks. You can actually see all the seasonings. Okay. All right. Put them here. See here. See that? Yeah. Put them in the fry basket. Y'all know I love the flats. I don't want to flip them. No, for one more. Okay, let me show y'all. Okay, that's how they look. That's how they fit it in there nicely. Get this out my way. Take this out of here. This air fryer is sitting on a glide mat, and I'll leave the link for these so you can freely push it back and forth. It's not supposed to be jammed up against the wall while it's on. I'm going to tell you what Walter did yesterday. Singed my curtain. He uses this red air fryer. He had it jammed up against the curtain, really. And part of the curtain is brown. I come in here and saw that. He said he don't know how it got like that. Okay, turn it on. I'm not putting it on. I don't need dual mode. I just want to cook on the left side. Just the left. Yeah, that's the left side. Yep. Air fry. I'm going to put 450 degrees. This is the temp side. And I'm going to watch it. So then I'm going to go over here for the time, 22 minutes. Okay, and where's the start? Is that start or start? Oh, start right here. Okay, I'll be back. Yeah, you see I didn't put no oil on it. I will be back. Okay, I was looking for my vacuum seal bags. Couldn't find them. I was going to vacuum seal the rest of this chicken, but I had to settle for a Ziploc bag. Put this in the freezer, because tomorrow I want to fix some chili. You got to taste some chili? I made some good chili, y'all. But look what I found. When I was searching for my vacuum seal bags, found some Nashville hot chicken seasoning. If I had it ahead of time, I would have put it on this chicken. But the chicken is seasoned enough. I don't know where I got it or when I got it. I must have bought it because Walter wouldn't have bought it. So, and I also found some jerk seasoning, Jamaican style. These ain't never been opened. Oh. And this still got the plastic label seal on here. Okay, I'm gonna get creative with my chicken wings and pork chops and stuff. I'll show y'all this chicken. It's already seasoned. You throw it in the freezer, and it's ready to cook. I'm gonna freeze them flat like this. So you can actually air fry frozen wings. They are already washed and seasoned. Okay. I got about 11 minutes left on my wings. But it should be beeping to tell me to flip. But I don't want to flip. I'll be back. Okay, the wings have been cooking for 22 minutes at 450 degrees. Oh, they're good and done. I got a minute, 22 seconds left, so I'm going to stop it now. Stop. Said stop. Unplug it. Push it back so I can open this drawer. Here's the dish towel. Show you how they look. And these are crispy. And I did wind up flipping these. Ooh. Yum, yum. Chicken wings is too good for husbands. Okay, I mean I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh. That one looks a little crispy. Okay. I Now some potato salad, y'all. Dust up my potato salad. Salt and pepper. Okay, I'm gonna take a thumbnail before I taste it. Here's my naked seasoned orange and white pepper chicken wings and some potato salad. And I doctored up. Trying to get a good thumbnail. Let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna taste it. Okay, I'm gonna try a piece. And it's crispy. Hot. It's seasoned. Delicious. Mm. Finger looking good. Let's try some potato salad. Potato salad goes with chicken. That. Okay. I give myself a seal of approval. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the evening. 7:27. Y'all be blessed. Okay. Bon appetit. Bye.